Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by laying out ingredients so you move smoothly. 3 anchovy fillets, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 large egg yolk for body and umami. Measure 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Have 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil ready to stream, plus 1/4 cup finely grated Parmesan, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. If using raw egg, choose a pasteurized yolk or coddle the egg briefly to reduce risk. Mince anchovies and garlic, then mash in a medium bowl. Whisk the egg yolk with 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1 teaspoon Dijon until glossy. Add the anchovy and garlic paste and whisk again. This builds flavor and helps emulsion. Very slowly pour 1/2 cup olive oil in a steady stream while whisking vigorously to trap air and form a thick, stable sauce. Once combined, fold in 1/4 cup finely grated Parmesan. If the sauce is too thick, whisk in 1 tablespoon cold water to loosen. Taste and finish with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. To serve, chop about 3 cups romaine hearts into bite-sized pieces and place in a large bowl. Add roughly 1 cup of your Caesar sauce and toss until leaves are evenly coated. Add 1/2 cup crisp croutons and toss gently again. Plate and top each portion with 4 ounces sliced grilled chicken and 1/4 cup shaved Parmesan for texture and protein. Leftover dressing keeps well sealed in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Do not freeze. Stir or whisk briefly before use and adjust lemon or salt to refresh flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.